Hello and welcome to my first ever video. My name is Darius and I'm going to make cubing and sometimes gaming videos. I'm gonna take my hands off the screen now, 'cause I think they are distracting. As I said, my name is Darius, the first live in Romania. I'm 12 years old, you can laugh about that. I'm in the 5th grade, and of course I love cubing. You can see I am using the Tornado V3M flagship. Here is my favorite game, Minecraft. Now I'm going to show you my cube collection. The first one is of course the 3x3. The skew, then the skew. Next, Pyraminx. To X2. An old 3x3. A 5x5. And finally, but definitely not last, the 4x4. I will let the rest of the video with a solve on the 3x3. I know it's slow. I hope you enjoyed. Hope to see you next time. Bye. Sorry for the cube out of screen. Again. That was it for today. If you made it to this part, comment cuber, and I hope to see you again. Bye.